Hey guys, welcome to a new video. You're inside my 4th gen 4Runner. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the seatbelt alarm. So stay tuned for more. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to turn the key all the way on to on. Okay, so the first step you're going to want to do is push the odometer trip button until it goes through trip A, trip B, and then ends up on just odometer, which is ODO. Leave it on the odometer setting. You're going to turn your key off. When I turn this on, I'm going to click and hold the odometer button for 10 seconds. So turn it on, back on. Click and hold the odometer button for 10 seconds. It can be anytime longer than 10 seconds, but it needs to be at least 10 seconds. So I'm holding down the button still. I'm going to reach for the seatbelt. You grab the seatbelt and click it in. You can let go. Now the odometer area says be off or be on. This is an example of what it'll show when you push the odometer button once clicking your seatbelt in. Be on is the seatbelt alarm on. Be off is it off. So you push the button to select what you'd like to do. Be off means to select the beeping off. So leave it on be off and turn the car off. And it's disabled. Just before ending the video, I just want to stress the importance of wearing your seatbelt. I do believe seatbelts save lives. There are many instances where people die in car accidents because they don't have seatbelts. This video is not an instructional video on how to avoid wearing a seatbelt. This is on a video how to disable the seatbelt alarm. I want to do this because there's a few things about this alarm that are very annoying. First of all, it's very, very loud. The seatbelt alarm will actually wake up my sleeping kids in the back. There are times when I don't need the seatbelt alarm. When I'm backing the vehicle with the trailer, I undo my seatbelt and the alarm goes off. There's times where if I'm sitting in a parking lot and the vehicle's in drive and I have the brake, there are instances where if I'm off-roading and I have to lean out the window to check out a rock and I let my turn off my seatbelt, the alarm goes off. So this is a way to disable the seatbelt alarm and allow for less stressful driving, but in no way is this a way to avoid wearing your seatbelt. So please, I stress that in this video. Anyway, I appreciate everyone watching. I'm getting to the 1,000 subscriber mark, so I invite everyone to please subscribe, like the video, share it out. If you have any questions or comments about the process, please just leave a comment in the description below, and I'd love to get back to you. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. You guys have a great day.